So next, now that our cream mixture is finally cooled down, what we want to do is lift up the vanilla bean. Okay. Go ahead and put it on just a dry paper towel. Go ahead, clean it up, and you can just store it away and use it again. So now what you want to try and do is pour out all the skin layer on the top, and you want to not use that. So you can just pour that away. Keep all your cream mixture liquids, and this is what you'll be using to add to your egg and sugar mixture. Now that we strained the cream, what you want to do is get your egg and sugar mixture. It kind of went back a little foam. What you want to try and do is just whisk it back and just into its color. Okay, when it's kind of whisked back, you can get your cream mixture. As you pour it in slowly and stir it at the same time, because it's still kind of warm to be hot enough to cook the eggs. So slowly pour it in and stir. Now that all the cream mixture is into the egg and sugar mixture, you just want to whisk it together until it's pretty well blended together, and until you just get a little smooth consistency and you don't really see much of the eggs and the sugar together.